Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you more than 50 idioms. By the end of the video, you will able to use a wide range of idioms and make your English sound more natural, fluent and impressive. So, let's get started. To wave the white flag, it means admit defeat. We can frame sentences. You can't win against your wife. It's better to wave the white flag. I was tired of dieting. Dad waved the white flag and ordered pizza. To tell a white lie. It's mean to tell a small lie or harmless lie. We can frame sentences. It's okay to tell a white lie if it benefits someone. She told a white lie to protect her friend's reputation. Black and blue. It's mean beaten up and bruised. We can frame sentences. You are looking black and blue. Did you get into a fight with someone? After falling off his bike, his leg was black and blue. Fish out of water. It's mean feeling uncomfortable in an unfamiliar situation. We can frame sentences. He felt like a fish out of water in his new school. I was a fish out of water in that large party. In hot water, or we can say in a pickle. It's mean in a trouble. We can frame some sentences. He is in a hot water for missing deadline. Stop bothering me, I am already in a hot water. Wake up and smell the coffee. It's mean to realize the truth about one's situation or to become aware of what is really happening. We can frame sentences. Voters need to wake up and smell the coffee and elect someone who will get the things done. Blue blood. It's mean someone who is of noble birth. We can frame sentences. The princess's bluebird was evident in her elegance. Despite her blue blood, she was down to earth. Black sheep of family. It's mean a person who is shame to his family. We can frame sentences. John was always black sheep of his family because of his reckless behavior. She is black sheep of his family as she got 3rd grade in her exams. Lion's share. It means the largest part of something or most of something. We can frame sentences. He has eaten lion's share of his dinner. My daughter grabbed the lion's share of the pizza. Feel blue. It means to feel sad or depressed. We can frame sentences. She felt blue after hearing the bad news. Don't feel blue, the things will get better soon. As white as ghost. It means to be very pale in face due to shock or illness. We can frame sentences. When he heard the terrible news, he turned as white as ghost. The child came running inside as white as ghost after seeing the shadow outside. Festival celebrates the special bond between brothers and sisters. Let's learn some idioms that describe this bond. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with blood is thicker than water. It's mean family relations are more stronger than others. We can frame sentences. My sister and I fight sometimes, but we help each other because blood is thicker than water. I helped my brother instead of my friend because blood is thicker than water. All the families have their issues and problems. Then also blood is thicker than water. Second one is though thick and thin. It's mean being there for someone in good or bad times. We can frame sentences. She stood by me, though thick and thin. That's what sisters do. I'm always with you, though thick and thin. My brother has always supported me, though thick and thin. Have your back. It's mean to protect or support someone. We can frame sentences. I will always there to support you. I have your back. My brother has always my back. That's why I tie him a rakhi. I will always have my sister's back, no matter what. Like two peas in a pod. It's mean very close and similar people. We can frame sentences. They are like two peas in a pod. They like the same things. Alia and Amar were like two peas in a pod when they were young. My brother and I are like two peas in a pod. We do everything together. As thick as thieves. It means very close and share everything, even secrets. We can frame sentences. My sister and I are as thick as thieves. We tell each other everything. I'm sure she tells her brother everything we say. They are as thick as thieves. We are brothers, as thick as thieves. Let's start. Hit the books. It's mean to study hard, or we can say to study seriously. We can frame sentences. Final exams are coming. It's time to hit the books. I have my test tomorrow. I need to hit the books tonight. Burn the midnight oil. It's mean to work or study late into the night. We can frame sentences. He is burning the midnight oil and finishing his project. She burned the midnight oil and completed her homework. Learn the ropes. It's mean to understand how to do something, how to do any task, any activity or any kind of job. We can frame sentences. It took me few days to learn the ropes at my new school. Her teacher allows her to learn the ropes. To pass with flying colors. It's mean to pass any test or exam with high score. We can frame sentences. He studied very hard and he passed with flying colors. She was a brilliant student. She always passed all the exams with flying colors. Put in the hours. It's mean to invest some amount of time to achieve a goal. We can frame sentences. I put in a lot of hours studying for exam. I put in the hours, so I got paid a lot. Learn by heart. It's mean to memorize something completely. We can frame sentences. He have to learn these principles by heart. She should learn this rhyme. It is not only rhyme, it is a life lesson. A quick study. It means someone who learns things quickly. We can frame sentences. If you are quick study, you can learn new things very quickly. Your daughter made a great progress in piano lessons. She is a quick study. Put your thinking cap on. It's meant to start thinking seriously about something. We can frame sentences. Use your common sense and put your thinking cap on. We need to put our thinking cap on and come up with a solution. Make a grade. It's mean to succeed or meet the required standard. We can frame sentences. Not everyone made the grade in tough entrance exams. I studied hard to meet the grade in my exams. The School of Hard Knocks. It's mean learning through difficult life experiences or negative real life experiences. Weekend films and dances. He learned from the school of hard knocks that failure are not the end but a part of his journey to success. She is obviously a woman of wisdom as she learned from the school of hard knocks. We can use some idioms as well. As pretty as a picture. As pretty as a picture. It means very attractive and appealing. We can frame sentences. She is looking as pretty as a picture in her new pink dress. A sight for sore eyes. It means extremely pleasant and relieved to see. We can frame sentences. After a long day at work, her smile was truly a sight for sore eyes. Drop dead gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous. It means extremely good looking. We can frame sentences. When she entered the room, she looked drop dead gorgeous in long hair and sparkling blue dress. Looked like a million bucks. Looked like a million bucks. It means extremely attractive. The car was polished and looked like a million bucks. Jaw-dropping. It means impressive. Her first performance was jaw-dropping. It left the audience in awe. As cute as a button. It means very adorable and charming. We can frame sentences. Her daughter looked as cute as a button in her new floral dress. Easy on the eyes. It means easy and very pleasant to look at. We can frame sentences. My sister's paintings are easy on the eyes. Cut a dash. It means have an attractively stylish appearance. We can frame sentences. My brother cuts a dash whenever he goes with his bold fashion choices. Mad as a hen in KFC bucket. Mad as a hen in KFC bucket. Someone obsessed with chicken. It means someone obsessed with chicken. We can frame sentences. He is as mad as a hen in a KFC bucket. Would cross the road for chicken. Would cross the road for chicken. It means someone can do anything for chicken. We can frame sentences. He is dying for chicken. He would cross the road for chicken. Chicken runs in their veins. Chicken runs in their veins. It means it exaggerates the deep love for chicken dishes. We can frame sentences. She is chickophile. Chicken runs in her veins. Lives for drumstick and wings. It means they live and breathe chicken. They live and breathe chicken. We can frame sentences. He lives for drumsticks and wings. Born with a chicken leg in hand. Born with a chicken leg in hand. It means they have loved chicken since birth. We can frame sentences. Her son born with a chicken leg in hand. Take candy from a baby. It means something which is very easy to do. We can frame sentences. That project was take a candy from a baby. Don't worry about it. It is like take a candy from a baby. In a pickle. It means in a trouble. We can frame sentences. Can we discuss it later? Right now I am in a pickle. Don't disturb him. He is in a pickle. A snake in a grass. It means an unpleasant person who can't be trusted. We can frame sentences. I don't want to share my project with him. He is a snake in a grass. Don't reveal this secret in front of him. He is a snake in a grass. Set up your game. It means to improve your performance or quality of your work. We can frame sentences. Stop doing these silly mistakes. Set up your game. I trust you, you can do this. Set up your game. Feel blue. The meaning of this idiom is feeling sad or depressed. After that incident, she is feeling blue. Leave her for some time, he is feeling blue. As sour as vinegar. This idiom is used for negative persons, which mean that people who are always disagree with others. We can frame sentence as Mr. John is as sour as a vinegar. No need to take his advice. He is as sour as a vinegar. Salt of the earth. It means very honest, decent, good and ordinary person. My father is salt of the earth. My best friend Garima is salt of the earth. As sweet as a honey. It means very sweet, or we can say extremely kind and humble. We can frame sentence as watermelon is as sweet as a honey. This pudding is as sweet as a honey. And next one, very humble and kind. We can frame sentence as your grandmother is as sweet as a honey. My best friend is as sweet as a honey. As hard as a stone. It means very hard. Or we can say unyielding or unbold. We can frame sentence as diamonds are as hard as a stone. I don't want to eat this cake. This cake is as hard as a stone. Next one, unyielding. His feelings towards me as hard as a stone. As white as a snow. It means very white. We can frame sentence as this cat is as white as a snow. The milk is as white as a snow. As flat as pancake. It means very flat. The land was as flat as a pancake. The tire was as flat as a pancake. As busy as popcorn on a skillet. It means very busy. We can frame sentences. My father has been as busy as popcorn on a skillet even since he joined his new company. The restaurant staff were as busy as popcorn on a skillet. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means come to the point. We can frame sentences. I don't have long to talk, so cut to the chase. I really appreciate your storytelling ability, but right now let's cut to the chase. Cost an arm and a leg. To be very expensive. We can frame sentences. This dress is very nice, but it cost an arm and a leg. The renovation of our house cost an arm and a leg. Your wedding party cost an arm and a leg. On the tip of my tongue. It means to be very close to remember something but unable to recall it. We can frame sentences. His name is on the tip of my tongue. I know the answer of this question. It is on the tip of my tongue. Throw one's toy out of the pram. Or we can say throw one's toy out of the cot. It means to react excessively angry or childish manner. In Hindi we can say बचकाने ढंग से गुस्सा दिखाना. And we can frame sentences. Yesterday I saw a lady in supermarket. Literally she was throwing her toys out of the pram. When he lost his award, he threw his toys out of the pram and refused to talk to anyone. Break the ice. It means make people relaxed and comfortable. Or we can say to initiate a conversation. And in Hindi we can say चुप्पी तोड़ना, पहल करना या विवाद हल करना. We can frame sentence as Mr. John didn't know anyone at the party, so he cracked some jokes and broke the ice. Mr. Will decided to break the ice, so he made a little conversation. Jack of all trades, master of none. It means someone is skilled in many areas but not outstanding in any one specific field. In Hindi we can say हर फन मौला हर फन अधूरा. इसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि हर चीज़ थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है बट किसी एक चीज़ में एक्सपर्ट नहीं है. We can frame sentence as My sister is jack of all trades, master of none. My father must be happy to know that I am jack of all trades. I don't want to be jack of all trades and master of none. Jump right in. It means to start doing something immediately without hesitation or any delay. In Hindi we can say बिना देरी किए बिना हिचकिचाहट के किसी काम को शुरू कर देना या तुरंत शुरू कर देना. We can frame sentence as Her new assistant is very brilliant. He jumped right in and takes action. There's no need to wait for new or good opportunity. What you have, just jump right in. Beat around the bush. It means avoiding the point what is important and not saying anything directly. In Hindi we can say घुमा फिरा के बात करना. And we can frame sentence as Stop beating around the bush and please let me know what is the truth. Please don't beat around the bush and please let me know what the work I have to do. Kettle of fish. It means something is much more complicated than expected. In Hindi we can say जितना सोचा था उससे कहीं ज़्यादा मुश्किल. We can frame sentence as We thought that negotiation would be simple, but it turned into kettle of fish. She thought that managing team would be very easy, but it is a different kettle of fish although. Put yourself in my shoes. It means try to imagine how you would feel if you were in my situation. In Hindi we can say मेरी जगह खुद को रखे देखो या अगर मेरी जगह तुम होते तो क्या करते. We can frame sentences When we putting ourselves in other shoes, it is very easy to understand their problem and forgive them. Try to put yourself in their shoes and understand why they are sad. Hit the nail on the head. It's meant to describe exactly right about something. In Hindi we can say ठीक बात कहना या सच्चाई बता देना. We can frame sentences. Your analysis hit the nail on the head. She hit the nail on the head when she said there are some flaws in schools discipline. Cost an arm and a leg. It's mean to be very expensive. In Hindi we can say बहुत महंगा, जो उसकी कीमत होनी चाहिए उससे बहुत ज़्यादा. This dress is very nice and magnetic, but it cost me an arm and a leg. Renovating our house will cost an arm and a leg. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. It means it's better to have a small benefit in place of a bigger possibility. In Hindi we can say ना नगद ना तेरा उधार. इसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जो है वो अच्छा है, जो नहीं है उसकी इच्छा नहीं करनी चाहिए. We can frame sentences. I think you should join this company instead of waiting good opportunity. Because a bird in a hand is worth two in the bush. You should not quit this job while you start your business. A bird in a hand is worth two in the bush. Hit the ground running. It's mean to start new activity with a lot of enthusiasm and energy. And don't waste time. In Hindi we can say उत्साह से शुरुआत करना. The new marketing team hit the ground running with fresh ideas. The company was looking for someone who can hit the ground running. Ahead of curve. It's mean to be faster than other people or companies. In Hindi we can say सबसे आगे. The company has been ahead of curve in adopting new technologies. He is very innovative. He is way ahead of curve. Go to extra miles. It's mean make a special effort to achieve something. In Hindi we can say बहुत मेहनत करना या पूरी कोशिश करना. We can frame sentences. I always go to extra mile to ensure that projects are completed. They go to their extra mile to make their customers happy. Think on your feet. It's mean to make quick decision. In Hindi we can say तुरंत निर्णय लेना. We can frame sentences. In my previous job, I was required to think on my feet. Think on your feet. Don't stare at me. Think outside the box. It's mean to think in a different way than usual. In Hindi we can say कुछ हटकर सोचना या कुछ नया सोचना. We can frame sentences. I always encourage my students to go for solutions which are outside the box. Think outside the box can help people or team innovate their creativity and solve different problems. Take the bull by the horns. It's mean to face difficult situation or problems directly. In Hindi we can say हिम्मत से काम लेना या कठिन परिस्थितियों का सामना बिना डरे हुए करना. We can frame sentences. Harshita decided to take the bull by the horns and organize things for herself. She decided to take the bull by the horns and face the problems bravely. Cut corners. It's mean to do something in easiest and quickest way. In Hindi we can say जल्दबाजी करना जिससे समय, प्रयास या धन की बचत हो. We can frame sentences. We cut the corner on this project and got bad quality. She cut the corner on her painting and ended up looking unfinished. Call it a day. It's mean to stop working for the day. In Hindi we can say आज के लिए बस इतना ही या अब काम खत्म करते हैं. We can frame sentences. I am tired and it's too late. Let's call it a day. I think we should call it a day. We can work on it tomorrow. To put something on back burner. It's mean to postpone something for later consideration because it is not urgent and not too much important. किसी चीज़ को कुछ देर के लिए स्थगित कर देना, कुछ देर के लिए उसमें देरी कर देना क्योंकि वो चीज़ अभी इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है. We can frame sentences. She put her singing career on back burner to pursue for her dream of being a businesswoman. I put my vacation plan on back burner because right now I have much work to do. Cut to the chase. It's mean come to the point. इधर उधर की बात किए बिना समय गवाए सीधे मुद्दे की बात करना, सीधे पॉइंट पे आना. It is called cut to the chase. We can frame sentences. I didn't have long to talk, so I cut to the chase. I appreciate your storytelling skills. But right now, let's cut to the chase. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and keep your ears open for next. See you next time.